Hi, my name is Joshua Karp and I'm an application engineer at MeetCat Systems. Today on MeetCat Minute, I'm going to show you how to make configurations with an Excel design table. This is an easy way to make your configurations quickly with multiple dimensions, and also you can make use of some Excel functions. How do we do this? So in our part, we want to change the flange thickness and we want to change the hole diameter. We're going to go Insert, we're going to go Tables, and we're going to insert a design table. It's going to bring out the property manager. We're going to choose a blank one for now, and we leave everything else as default. And it's going to bring up my table. It's going to say which configurations added. At the moment I only have default. And now it's going to wait for me to select my dimensions that I want to enter into my table. So I'm going to rotate it here. I want to select the flange thickness. You'll see it'll place it down there. And for my second one, I want to select this diameter. Now I can easily, in my table over here, add thin flange and thick flange. Now this one I can set to my whatever thickness it must be, and this one will be thinner. I can also change the hole diameter or keep it the same. I can also use functions such as this will be 0.8 times another cell. When I press OK and I press away from the design table, it's going to add these configurations. You'll see the design table generated the following configurations. First instance, thin flange and thick flange. Press OK, and if I go over to my configurations tab, you'll find my table over there, which I can edit by right-click Edit Table, and all my configurations. I can double-click on them to activate the different configurations. It's a nice, easy tool to use that can make your design process much quicker, and I hope it helps you in the future. Thanks for watching.